Automox here. Let's walk through using custom policies. Custom policies allow you to perform numerous tasks, such as enforcing password rules, setting up system configurations, managing custom software, and more, across groups of endpoints. You can use Automox's list of pre-packaged scripts to automatically manage popular configurations and applications, or you can create your own code. The Custom Policy section is designed to be extremely flexible, allowing you to check and fix just about any function you can script to best meet the needs of your organization. As an example, let's walk through the setup of a custom policy using a pre-packaged script that will evaluate whether or not password settings are correctly configured across your devices. If password settings are incorrect, Automox will automatically change them to your desired settings. From the System Management page, click the Create Policy button in the top right corner of the console. Select your operating system's version of Custom Policy. We'll name this policy Password Settings and add a description of the policy's function to the Notes section. Select the Password Settings pre-packaged script to automatically enter code that will check for a user's default password settings. Since this script was written for Windows devices, it uses PowerShell syntax. The evaluation code provides checks to see if specific password configurations are set on each device. If they are not set, the remediation code adjusts those device settings to match your desired configuration. You can change this code to your preferred settings or rewrite it for your specific use case. Once these steps have been completed, set the policy schedule and save it. Select the months, weeks, and days you want the policy to run. To finish, select Create Policy. You can now start assigning the policy to groups of devices. For more information on supported installation files and how to locate package names and versions, visit support.automox.com.